We were gone for quite a while, but no matter what happens next, the galaxy still needs its guardians.
Hello, we come in peace.
Come on, Drax. Seriously, dude?
No! Ow!
Don't forget where we came from.
We have been running our whole lives.
Pete, I'm done running.
Good afternoon, Luzon, Mindanao. According to Department of the Health, POH, that is possible to reach 18,000 COVID-19 new patients. But before that, let's have more information kasama na si reporter na si Jaka Jello Bering. Jello.
Thank you, Sir Dustin Katadman. According to the Department of Health, 85% of the people are having a chance to survive the coronavirus by the means of having a discipline like wearing face masks and following other health protocols that is implemented by the community officials. Since there are still a lot of people who are not vaccinated yet, DOH believes that somehow the coronavirus will soon fade away. The key for us to survive this pandemic is to be disciplined enough to take care of ourselves. On the other hand, there are still some and call center agents who continue their job for them to support their family's needs.
Pamilya. Basta sa araw-araw. And according to Department of Agriculture, DOH, that all vegetables and rice and other goods will get expensive this coming Christmas. And more information with news reporter Miss Christine J. Arbes.
Thank you, Mr. Anglon. This coming Christmas, all goods like canned vegetables, fruit and rice, and other goods of all materials will add a price. So let's consider of and other foods, frozen foods that is junk-productive reward.
It's too much now, lalo na this Christmas, because the main factory is located sa Zamboanga City is not the same the other store, kaya lower price ang business.
On the other hand, the buyer buy Nutribena named Ramos to buy goods, but she don't have a budget to buy expensive goods for Nutribena.
Responsible put up goods today, lalo na isang Christmas, so it's something to buy what is for my Nutribena.
Ready your jackets and sweat clothes because we have a new update in weather. Call Amihan with our weather report with Miss Antehajon.
In the next few days, get ready for the jacket and sweat clothes because of the possible camp of hangin amihan weather according to the weather forecast in Metro Weather. It will affect it to the other place like in Luzon starting tomorrow and may be affected until weekend. For now, intertropical convergence zones will affect it in Mindanao according to Pagasa. And according to the rainfall forecast of Metro Weather will rain this morning in southern Luzon, Palay Island, Caraga, in Davao region, and at the afternoon of the other place in Visayas and Mindanao, but sure will not affect it in Metro Manila.
They're celebrating a new big Christmas tree in Baclac. With more information, the reporter Miss Jillian Labore. Jillian.
In San Pedro, Laguna, in the plaza, they will celebrate their big Christmas tree on the clock. Full lights and nice decoration. And many people wants to go there to take some pictures because it's beautiful and charming Christmas tree. And before that, Vice President Sara Duterte visit to the plaza for celebrating the new and first Art Mercado Christmas tree in this year.
Magpatawad sa mga tao na gumawa ng mali o may kasalanan sa atin. Merry Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Malipayong Pasko ug mabungahong bagong tuig kaninyong tanan.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
Hi everyone, this is Group 1 and for today we are going to representing and introducing our dearly school, Cuyab Integrated National High School. We have great group members who's going to present and explain each coordinating uses for the school content.
This is the school of Cuyab Integrated National High School. The lobby is for first stepping us up entering the school. This is for the guard. Also wait till 11:20 up the gate for student.
Students also line up here to wait for their first subject. This area is also used for practicing, performing, and much more. The library management system will be used by the librarian to keep track of the books, library members, and borrowing activity. Not all books can be borrowed by the members. Some books may only be available to review in the library. All such books are termed as reference books.
Library. This is also their selected students are attending from remedial classes. Students are also free to go there anytime.
Guidance. The major aim of guidance counseling services is to encourage students' academic, social, emotional, and personal development. To reach this aim, guidance counseling services help students get to know themselves better and find effective solutions to their daily problems.
Classroom. In these classrooms, here are where they learn and study. The knowledges are daily teachers give.
Each section here has a different advisor and unique students.
Clinic. The clinic is where the students are treated and is given medication to any unlucky circumstances. It is a contained with medicines applied for the students to sit or sleep on this desk for the nurse to record the student's sickness or injury. The canteen is where we buy and eat when break comes to time. It is also a favorite time by a lot of students.
And that's it. We hope you enjoyed our simple vlog. Thank you for listening. This is consists of Group 1 vlog and presentation. Thank you everyone.